Welcome back to Startup. From Zero to Hero, the channel where we uncover the backstories of world-changing companies. Today, we're exploring the rise of a company that went from a tiny nonprofit research lab to one of the most influential tech forces on the planet. This is the story of an OpenAI, the startup behind ChatGPT, DALL-E, Whisper, and more, and how it became the driving force of the AI revolution. Let's go back to where it all began. It's on December 11th, 2015. Elon Musk teams up with Silicon Valley heavyweights, including the Sam Altman from Y Combinator, Greg Brockman, former CTO of Stripe, Ilya Sutskever, one of Google Brain's top researchers, and others. Together, they announced the launch of OpenAI, a nonprofit artificial intelligence research organization with a commitment to openness and safety. They commit $1 billion or in pledged donations, although not all of that would be immediately accessible. Their founding mission? To ensure that artificial general intelligence, AGI, benefits all of humanity. From 2016 to 2018, OpenAI released OpenAI Gym, a toolkit for training AI agents, and broke new ground in reinforcement learning. They also made headlines by creating AI agents that could play complex games like the Dota 2, eventually beating semi-pro and professional players. But despite the success, there was a major challenge. To compete with tech giants like Google DeepMind, Facebook AI, and Microsoft, OpenAI needed more money, a lot more. In our 2019, OpenAI restructured into a Imagineer capped profit company known as OpenAI LEP. This unique model allowed them to raise venture capital while capping investor returns at 100x. Why? To stay aligned with their safety-first mission while getting the resources they needed. Then came the partnership that changed everything. Microsoft stepped in with a $1 billion investment in 2019. They became OpenAI's key infrastructure partner, helping build supercomputing platforms on Azure to power massive models. This is when the world saw the beginning of something special. Enter the GPT series, Generative Pre-trained Transformers, GPT-1, 2018, 117 million parameters, GPT-2, 2019, 1.5 billion parameters, powerful and open AI. I initially withheld the full model over fears of misuse. GPT-3, 2020, a massive leap, 175 billion parameters. It could write essays, poetry, articles, even code, almost like a human. That's when things started getting wild. On November 30th, 2022, OpenAI released ChatGPT-9, powered by GPT 3.5. It reached 1 million users in just 5 days. Within 2 months, over 100 million users, making it the fastest growing consumer app in history. People used it for homework help, writing emails, legal drafts, business plans, even dating advice. It was like having a genius assistant in your pocket, 24/7. In March 2023, OpenAI dropped our GPT-4. It could understand images, handle over 25,000 words of input, perform on par with humans in professional tests. For example, it scored in the 90th percentile on the Uniform Bar exam, got a 700 plus on the SAT Math, and in top 10% went on the LSAT. Soon after, OpenAI released ChatGPT Plus, a $20 per month subscription to access GPT-4. OpenAI wasn't just focused on chatbots. Whisper, an open-source speech recognition model that transcribes audio with high accuracy. DALL-E generates images from text, like an astronaut riding a horse on Mars in a pixel art style. Codec powers GitHub Copilot, an AI coding assistant used by millions of developers. These tools change the game for content creators, developers, and educators. In our early 2024, OpenAI introduced Sora, a text-to-video model. Imagine typing, a rainy city street at night with neon lights reflecting off the pavement. And within seconds, you get a full video, complete with motion, ARI.
Hey, can you make a grocery list from the following items? Walnuts, orange juice, rice cakes, turkey, lemons, lettuce, tomatoes, olive oil, croutons, and a six-pack of seltzer. And can you group them by where they're commonly found in the grocery store?
Sure. I'll categorize them for you. For the produce section, lemons,